This is Eric Leggett, President and CEO of Fathers with Voices Consulting Services, coming with you with some more information about my wonderful program, my consulting service, that is working with and helping a significant number of separated and divorced fathers all over the country that are part of child support, visitation, and custody cases. So what is the secret of our success? Well, number one, we realize that fathers know very little about the court system before they start investing hundreds and thousands and oftentimes tens of thousands of dollars in court and legal fees. And we also realize the less a father knows, the more likely he is vulnerable to paying thousands of dollars in legal fees. So what we have done to counteract that is to share with fathers the most important things that men need to know when they are involved in these types of cases. How do we know? You're talking to Fathers with Voices' very first client. Over 15 years ago, I was involved in a visitation case, and it was there I learned during those 7 months, or after the 7 months, after spending $4,500 in legal fees for this visitation case in order to gain visitation rights for my daughter, that there was so much the attorney did not tell me as far as my visitation rights. And for the next 3 years, I studied at a local law library about my rights, my paternal rights, as far as visitation is concerned. And then they always say opportunity always presents itself in terms of remedying a situation. And I represented myself in an extended visitation petition case. I was awarded a significant amount of rights to my daughter at that time. I believe she was 6 or 7 years old. And that lesson taught me a lot. Number one, I saved over $44,000 in legal fees because the retainer fee was $3,500. I no longer needed that attorney. So I saved over $4,000 in legal fees. And this is something that has become a pattern with many men. The less you know, the more you're going to pay. So if you're involved in any of the types of cases I just discussed, please give us a call. Call 336-847-6957 or go to my website, fatherswithvoices.info, INFO, and read about all the wonderful things that we have done for fathers. Take care.